A very good morning to a decorous collection of some of Whitworth's finest minds, and this morning I'd like to present to you Memes for Days, which is essentially a very brief tour of a few specimens from my renowned meme collection, and this presentation serves to explicate the nuances in varying memes as to elevate all you fine minds a few steps closer to becoming a certified meme connoisseur, such as myself. And without further ado, let's get away with the first meme, and we move straight away to the eye roll, or as I've captioned it over here, the oh my gosh. And this meme is commonly used to express dissatisfaction with an unsolicited remark, a response to a dumbfounded question, or a simple dismissal. Now, the dichotomy over here can be followed by a chronological comic sort of display in which it moves from one transition into another image, and over here you can see the pupil is still intact, located in its original position, and it's non-existent over here. It is lost in translation at the sheer absurdity of the remark that was read and processed mentally. And with that, we move straight forward to what I like to call for the 89th time, which is the all caps meme. And this is a different kind of meme in that it is an accompanying meme. That is, it is often sent alongside a message, for example, of emphasis or effervescence or simply pure excitement. For instance, hey, do you want to come to the football game? Hey man, for the third time, no. And this meme would accompany that as to suggest that, hey, I really meant it the first, second, third, and fourth time that I used it. The title is mere hyperbole, but I'm sure you get the point by now. And with that, let's move swiftly on to our stop lying bro meme, which is quite honestly my favorite and one that I am often criticized for overusing. But hey, there's no such thing as overusing memes of this quality and this caliber. And we move straight forward to the first meme over here on the left. And this meme is a simple mere facial expression, but the proximity of his lips and his nose implies indignation, and his eyes to the side suggests that, hey, I don't believe you. And this is a meme I often send to say, hey man, you sure, bro? Like, I feel you, but I also really don't. And the meme on the right went viral when this man over here posted a video of him singing a song that went, why you always lying? Why you always lying? You get the gist. And with that, his face came accompanying a meme which often was sent to imply that the sender did not quite believe what the recipient of the message had just said. And with that, we move swiftly on to our next meme, which is often used to indicate surprise or quaint disgust, and is our good old friend Kevin Hart over here, who is looking back at whoever he is, he's looking back, but he's looking back as to imply, you know what, bro? I don't know what you're doing. I don't know what you just said, but this face, this expression right here is how I feel about it. And you can see that the faces behind him seem to have a resonance or seem to coincide with his expression as to imply, a mere disgust or distaste for what has just been said. And I often use this a lot because I often receive messages that just make me feel some type of way, feel some type of Kevin way. And with that, we move to our sixth slide, which is, hey man, cool story, bro. And this is essentially a very sarcastic and ironic meme because I tell you what, this man's thumbs are up, but hey, he's not really impressed. He's in fact being very sarcastic as to imply that what you just told him was of no relevance and no importance to him. To him, it is essentially a message of thanks, but better luck next time, A for effort. And with that, we move to our last meme, which is DJ Khaled asks his recipients, hey, will you marry me? And this meme is a meme of endearment or affection after the mental processing of a specific message which happened to please the recipient in ways that made them think, you know what, I can live my entire life with this person. And I'm often a man who has a lot of love to give, so I do send this meme in abundance, and I do recommend it to keep the peace and love and harmony here on campus and at Whitworth University. And with that, I take this opportunity to thank you so much for your time and for sharing, these moments with me. And I just hope that you found this information useful and will use this knowledge in your future in ways that you will never imagine and perceive as possible. And yeah, have a good one. Peace and love.